Students, today we are discuss about image formation in plane mirror. Okay, first we draw to that one plane mirror. That plane mirror, one side is a reflector, another side is a hot surface. Okay, wow. So first you see that first the point A, it is a incident ray. That incident rays fall on the reflected mirror. That point is O. Are you understood? First we are taking to the one plane mirror. Then on the point of A, it's going to the that point of A is a incident ray. That ray fall on the reflected surface, the plane surface. Okay, wow. The immediately that incident ray reflected to the rays. Okay, wow, reflected to the rays. That line is here OB. Next that incident rays or reflector rays, in between that normal rays. Okay, wow. So that line is here going to the extent. Okay, next you see that that incident in AON is here I, right? Okay, that NO is here 90 degree. So next then reflected rays NOB, it is a reflected rays. This theta equivalent to R. So we are taking to the R. I equivalent to R. I equal to the R. Okay. So next you see that one that the A, again one incident rays straightly going on and fall on that reflected surface. That is a plane mirror. Okay, wow. So that immediately reflected the same direction of that reflected rays. Are you understood? First you see that point A, another one incident rays going on the straight line. Okay, the straight line fall on the straight rays, the fall on the reflected mirror. Okay, so immediately that reflected that rays, the incident rays reflected the reflected rays is going on the same way, the straight line, same straight. That's why I put the arrow mark this like. Okay, wow. So next what we are do that you see that this incident ray I will extend that. Okay, wow. So I extend that the sum of the distance. Okay, you see that sum of the distance I extend to this distance. Okay, so now you see that ON and AD is a parallel. So that's why I put that arrow mark, two arrow mark. So the normal rays also I extend that. So you see that ON and DA is a what? Parallel. It is a parallel rays. Okay, the same like only for that ON and then AA dash. It's a long side. It's a parallel. This both line is here. This line and this line is here parallel. This line is here parallel rays. Okay, next you see that next we are calculate to the angle. So now you say that this part is this distance is a object distance, this is a image distance. Okay, wow. So one mirror, first object is this and all object distance. This is a T, in between the gap is a object distance, and DA dash is a image distance. What we have proved that we have to prove that object distance equal to the image distance. That is that image formation in the plane mirror. Okay, so now A dash and NO are parallel. That's already I told. Okay, now we are taking to the angles. So you see that OAD, it is angle of OAD equal to that angle of AON. This angle AON, it is equal to the angle. Okay, are you understood? OAD, this angle equal to that AON. This angle is equal. Okay, wow. This the both angle we are called to the alternate angle. Are you understood, ma? This both angle is called to the alternate angle. Next you see, next we are taking the incident angle and reflected angle. AON equal to the NOP. It is a what? Equal angle. Why we are telling that I equal to R? I equivalent to R, I equivalent to R. So this both angle is here equal. So I equivalent to R. So next one, angle of NOB, angle of NOB equal to the DA dash O. It is a what? It is a reflected angle, no? So it is a corresponding angle N, the angle NOB. Next DA dash O is a corresponding angle. So therefore we are taking to that this angle equal to the this angle. Are understood? So equal to the this angle. So what happened that OAD equal to that DA dash O. So in the angle what? It is a equal. This angle, both angle is a equal. So next then we are taking to the angle of OAD and OA dash D. That's angle I said, no? This angle. This is angle, no? It is equal to I said already, right? This is the equal. So how to that now? This angle is this angle into 90 degree. So 90 degree. So this angle only is DAO, right? So DA dash. Appa OAD equal to that DA dash O. So it is a 90 degree angle, right? So next ADO. So next this also that theta AOD equal to A dash OD equal to 90 minus theta. Why we are taking to 90 minus theta? This angle means the both the angle we are calculated to the 180 degree. இங்க இருக்க மூணு ஆங்கிளுமே we are calculate means added means it's coming to the 180 degree. You see that so you are taking to the theta here 90 degrees. Here what happened? 90 minus theta. So I substitute here theta plus 90 minus theta plus 90, right? Equal to what come? The theta is a what? Cancelled. Minus theta plus theta cancel. Add 90 plus 90, 180 degree. It's coming up. So the three angle added to the 180 degree. So that's why we have to prove. Upper OD equal to OD. It's a common side. Yes, right? OD. This side is a common side 90 degree coming. This side also 90 degree coming. So it is we are called to the common side. Okay, so the triangle, these triangles are concurrent. These triangles are concurrent. These triangles are we are called to the concurrent. By corresponding part of the concurrent angle are equal to AD and DA dash. So what the object distance equal to the image distance. You see that what the proof? The image distance inside the plane mirror is equal to the object distance in front of the plane mirror. Are you understood or not?